Welcome to this video on the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. We'll be taking a deep dive into this open standard that's set to redefine how AI assistants connect with the world, and what this means for your future career. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the AI Foundation series. We are currently facing the AI paradox, powerful yet isolated. Large language models, or LLMs, have vast knowledge, but it's frozen at training time. This limits their ability to interact with real-time data, or the world around them, resulting in static knowledge, no real-world interaction, and limited decision-making for dynamic tasks. This highlights the need for connection, moving beyond static knowledge. Imagine an AI that acts on your behalf, reaching into your tools and data sources. The potential is transformative, enabling live scheduling, real-time data queries, smart home control, and design-to-code capabilities. The goal is to transition from isolated intelligence to connected agents. An LLM without external connections is like a genius locked in a room, with vast knowledge but zero reach. With the right protocol, AI becomes an active participant, reading, writing, and acting across systems in real time. This is where the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, comes in. What is MCP? Think of it as the USB-C for AI. It's an open standard developed by Anthropic, released in late 2024. MCP unifies AI tool communication, providing AI assistants with a universal, standardized way to connect with external data sources, tools, and systems. MCP is built on a core philosophy: decoupling, standardization, and composability. Decoupling separates AI models from data and tools. Standardization uses a common language for communication. Composability allows developers to mix and match resources like building blocks. Furthermore, it ensures security and extensibility. MCP provides universal connectivity for AI. It acts as the universal adapter between your AI and the entire ecosystem of tools and data sources your organization depends on, eliminating the need for custom wiring. The three pillars of MCP are the host, client, and server. The host is the AI application where the LLM lives. The client manages the connection within the host. The server provides resources or executes tools, acting as the bridge between AI intent and real-world systems. The MCP flow is a clean, bidirectional pipeline. The host LLM formulates the intent, the client routes it, the server executes the action, and the result flows back. This standardized, two-way channel enables an open, interoperable AI ecosystem. The MCP architecture ensures consistent behavior across every integration. Whether you are connecting to a local file system or a cloud-hosted enterprise database, the standardized architecture provides reliability. MCP has two protocol layers: the application layer and the transport layer. The application layer defines the semantic content and parameters of the interaction. The transport layer uses JSON RPC 2.0 and communicates via STDIO or HTTP/WebSocket, offering flexibility across deployment contexts. Key MCP server capabilities include resources, tools, and prompts. Resources are read-only data sources like files and APIs. Tools are executable functions for real-world actions, like sending emails or running code. Prompts are predefined templates for repeatable tasks. MCP enables personalized AI assistance. By connecting to tools like Google Calendar and Notion, AI can manage your entire schedule automatically. This shifts AI from a search engine to a continuously connected personal operations layer. For developers, MCP-enabled tools offer a huge leap in productivity. Tools like Claude Code plus Figma allow AI to generate functional web applications from design files. GitHub Copilot uses MCP to access your repository history and provide contextually aware suggestions. Let's explore the revolutionary use cases of MCP, starting with coding smarter, not harder. MCP-integrated development environments go beyond simple auto-completion. They understand your entire project context, leveraging external tools to generate code that seamlessly fits your system architecture. In enterprise chatbots and data analysis, MCP enables natural language querying. Business users can ask questions and receive live answers from enterprise databases without needing SQL. Multi-database intelligence allows chatbots to synthesize insights across multiple organizational databases simultaneously, democratizing data access. MCP also enables creative and physical task automation. AI models can connect to design tools like Blender to generate 3D models from natural language. This extends to 3D printing pipelines and cross-domain workflows, automating tasks from concept to physical prototype via connected AI agents. The rise of MCP apps means moving beyond plain text. Early AI interfaces were text-only. MCP-enabled apps now return rich, interactive experiences. This includes interactive outputs like live charts and embedded workflows, where users complete multi-step tasks without leaving the AI interface, resulting in a richer user experience. AI interfaces are evolving. MCP transforms static text boxes into dynamic application layers. Responses are interactive, actionable, and deeply integrated with your workflows, fundamentally changing how you interact with AI. The video now shows the rapid adoption across the AI landscape. Since its 2024 release, MCP has gained significant momentum. We see its impact through key metrics like the release year, over 100 pre-built servers, and adoption by major platforms like OpenAI and Vercel. The developer-friendly ecosystem for MCP is robust. It's built for builders at every level, providing multi-language SDK support, comprehensive documentation, active technical communities, and AI-assisted development tools to speed up the creation of MCP servers. MCP is built for enterprise-ready solutions designed for production-grade deployments. It is vendor-agnostic, horizontally scalable, and features fine-grained permissions. It also supports audit and compliance, making it suitable for regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Let's consider MCP and your career development, the future of work. Understanding MCP is vital for professionals looking to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. MCP is empowering professionals with advanced AI. It marks a shift in AI's role from a passive tool to an active collaborator that executes tasks autonomously. Professionals who understand MCP will operate at a fundamentally different level, directing the AI's power. For developers, mastering MCP positions you at the frontier of agentic AI systems. This includes 4 key steps: learning the protocol, building MCP clients, building MCP servers, and shipping agentic products that solve real problems. For data analysts, MCP means deeper insights, faster. AI becomes your analytical engine, allowing you to query multiple databases in plain language and automate report generation. This lets you spend more time on interpretation and strategy, rather than data wrangling. For designers, MCP is bridging concepts and creation. The protocol accelerates the design to development cycle, turning mock-ups into code. It also speeds up physical prototyping by enabling a swift concept to 3D model workflow, leading to faster iteration. Ultimately, AI acts as a force multiplier for every professional. MCP amplifies individual capacity, allowing professionals with the right skills to operate with the output capacity of an entire team. This results in enhanced productivity and efficiency. You can automate the routine tasks and elevate strategic thinking, focusing on judgment and creativity. MCP provides on-demand access to specialized tools and information, making expertise more accessible across the organization. The rise of MCP is creating entirely new roles that didn't exist just 5 years ago. Professionals who develop these skills now will define the next decade of AI-driven business, including roles like the AI architect, the dedicated MCP developer, and the AI integration specialist. Continuous learning is the most critical career skill in this rapidly evolving landscape. The career landscape is being transformed. AI-adjacent roles are among the fastest growing in the labor market. Fluency in MCP is rapidly becoming a differentiating credential, much like cloud expertise was a decade ago. Now, let's look at how you can get started with the Model Context Protocol. For beginners, you don't need to be an engineer to start. Build intuition for what MCP enables and explore quick start guides and interactive walkthroughs. Read the official specification, try a pre-built MCP server, and understand the host-client server model before attempting to write any code. For technical developers ready for a deep dive, MCP's open specification and multi-language SDK support make it accessible. Start with protocol mastery, understanding the message structure and transport layer mechanics. Then move to server development, client integration, and finally, deploying production systems with agentic pipelines. For enterprise architects, the focus is on strategic deployment. This involves designing a reference architecture for a scalable multi-tenant deployment, defining your security posture, establishing clear governance and compliance policies, and developing a change management roadmap for organizational adoption. This roadmap illustrates the different pathways. Choose the path that matches your current starting point, and remember that most practitioners move through multiple phases as their understanding of MCP deepens. MCP is more than just a protocol. It's a fundamental architectural shift that allows intelligence to flow freely between models, tools, and data. As MCP matures, we expect AI systems to orchestrate complex, multi-step workflows autonomously. Organizations building on MCP today are laying the infrastructure for the AI-native enterprise of tomorrow. Embrace the MCP revolution. Build MCP servers and clients to unlock new capabilities. Integrate AI with the essential tools and data where your organizational value resides. And finally, innovate by using MCP-powered AI to solve problems that were previously too complex. The time to start is now.